Hello, what's up everyone? This is Anukriti and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Anxiety Warriors. I hope you all are watching my videos and liking them. I have covered 4 symptoms of anxiety in my earlier videos and trying to cover other anxiety related symptoms in my next video. You can give your suggestions in comment box as well if you want video on any specific symptom of anxiety. In this video, I'll be talking about the most common symptom of anxiety, heart palpitations. So, this video will include what heart palpitations are, why anxiety causes heart palpitation, and how to get rid of it. So, do watch this video till the end, and you can subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and you can press the bell icon for notifications of my new videos. So, let's start. Before moving on tips on how to get rid of this heart palpitation, let's talk about what heart palpitations are and what is the reason. Palpitations are basically when your heart feels like it's racing or skipping beats. It's like a fluttering sensation in your chest and you can actually hear it. If you're suffering from anxiety, then experiencing these sensations are like a daily affair. And there was a time when these heart palpitations started affecting my life badly. With increase in heart rate, the situation gets such scary that you feel that you might get a heart attack. And I still remember my frequent visits to doctor because of this problem. And it can last for a few seconds and they can occur at any time. Unless these heart palpitations are caused by some heart disorder, which obviously you need to rule out first with the help of your doctor, they tend to be short-lived and harmless. So, why anxiety causes these heart palpitations? See, anxiety is a normal response to your stress. When a person feels anxious, the flight or fight response activates, which can increase your heart rate. Uh, when the person is in anxiety, the body overreacts to the stress. You can blame your sympathetic nervous system for this fight or flight response. Anxiety activates your sympathetic nervous system, and when it is active, it can temporarily stop your digestion process and can increase your heart rate and blood pressure. Heart palpitations are rarely harmful unless they are caused by some heart condition or some serious medical illness. Here, I would like to mention that you need to discuss with your doctor to make sure that there are no underlying medical causes. Also, please understand that heart palpitations are not always related to heart disorder. It can occur because of some lifestyle patterns and some less serious medical conditions like anemia, dehydration, acid reflux, thyroid problems, etc. So, there is no need to further increase your anxiety. In fact, excess intake of caffeine and some medications can trigger your heart palpitations. But the problem is, rather than concentrating on the possible causes, we feel like that these are related to heart disorder and we might get a heart attack. But if you have dizziness, chest pain, fainting, or shortness of breath with this heart palpitation, then you need to contact your doctor immediately. Now, let's talk about what we can do to get rid of these heart palpitations. You can try relaxation techniques. We all know that stress can trigger these heart palpitations, so we need to work on reducing our stress levels. You can do yoga and meditation. And as I told you earlier as well, meditation can do wonders in reducing your stress levels. You can do belly breathing. Try sitting cross-legged and take slow breath in through your nostrils and out through your mouth. And repeat this process until you feel calm. And in fact, I would recommend you to take five deep breaths every 1 to 2 hours to help calm your mind. Then there are ways to get instant relief from these heart palpitations. You can take cold shower, or you can splash cold water on your face, or you can apply cold towel. You can hold your breath and push down as if making a bowel movement. Coughing can also help. Drink plenty of water. Dehydration can cause heart palpitations, as when your body is dehydrated, heart has to work harder to circulate blood. Avoid caffeine, illegal drugs, tobacco products, as they can trigger heart palpitations. You can increase intake of foods which have high potassium levels like potatoes, bananas, avocados, and spinach. Avoid excessive use of alcohol. Get at least 7 hours of sleep each night, as being tired can trigger out of rhythm heartbeats. See, you should pay attention to when you are experiencing these palpitations, and you should avoid consumption of foods and anything else which can bring them on. To get permanent relief from these heart palpitations and any anxiety related symptom, you should work on reducing your stress levels. Try spending time outdoors. Talk to your friends, your family, share with them, and yes, don't lose your hope, as this anxiety thing is temporary and everything will be all right. What you need to do is you need to make small changes in your lifestyle. Do watch my videos, like them, share them with your family and friends. You never know who is in need of these tips. And yes, please don't forget to subscribe. That's all for this video. We'll be back with a new topic. So stay tuned with me. Bye bye.